Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making mint chocolate chip ice cream without using electric beater or mixer. Take a bowl full of ice cubes and ice water. Place another bowl of same size over the first one and add 1 cup of cold heavy whipping cream. Now you need a hand whisker and all you have to do is whisk the cream until stiff peaks. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes, but keep that in mind that the second bowl is always in touch with the cold ice water while whisking. Our whipping cream is ready. Now I'm going to add 1 can, which is 1 cup of condensed milk. If you don't have it, you can also add half cup of powdered sugar, or you can check out my condensed milk recipe below in the description box. Here I have 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves which I am crushing with 1 tablespoon of water. If you have mint extract, then add 2 to 3 drops of it. Now I'm adding this mint water to the whipped cream. I'm also adding few drops of green food color, which is optional. At last, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips. Give it a quick mix and place it in a bowl, pack it with a cling wrap and keep it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or overnight. After 4 hours, mint chocolate chip ice cream is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.